Everyone, I'm Dhiraj and this is our project DivyaDrishti, an AI drone surveillance system. So basically like India has big border and which is passing to different terrains like dense forest, rivers and mountain terrains. And to always monitor it and detect an illegal activity is a biggest problem like Indian army is facing right now. So that's why we have developed DivyaDrishti, which is a combination of computer vision and other AI technologies. So we have different models to detect different types of objects. Like the model you can see here, which are YOLO, which is pre-trained models that we have optimized, and they can detect people's human presence, they can detect car, they can detect trucks, and we have different type of classes for this. But then the biggest problem that Indian forces were facing about the surveillance, which is a illegal entry point, like in dense forest or in mountain terrains, there are always an illegal roads from which people can enter in the restricted area. So that's why we have developed this model, which is the foot trail detection model. We have trained it on 1200 plus images and it took like 20 hours of GPU computing time. So it can actually detect this illegal roads and illegal terrain, illegal trails where from which people enter the restricted zones. So this is our USP, which is the foot trail detection model. So let me guide you through how the system work actually. You should first select a model. So the YOLO models, these are pre-trained models, but we have optimized them too much that it can actually run on your phone. So this is basically a software plus hardware system. But due to tight deadline and our hardware are going to deliver on 1st June, and but due to deadline, like we don't have the hardware system now right now. So basically, hardware is a drone, and there is an edge devices where our whole system will run on this edge device. That's why we have optimized models so they can run on low GPU computer, low power devices also. So you should just select a model and it can detect a live feed. So whenever drone stream a live feed, system will analyze it and so whenever we get a live feed from drone, it will analyze the whole footage and it will give you alert. So right now we don't have live feed, so let's just take a testing footage. So this is a testing footage. So right now it's gonna detect the people. So when you select file, just start surveillance, and you can see the optimization like it just started detecting people. And whenever the people get the human presence get detected, you can actually see a notification here. So it can when if the car is detected, it gonna say the car is detected. If the illegal trails are detected as we talk the illegal routes, so it can you can just get back the alert about that, and that's how the system works. You can actually select from bunch of models. So our USP is footer detection. So that's one part. And here we have auto record. So whenever some object get detected, if you on this, you system catches its shot. The system catches its snapshot and it's sent back. So you can actually see like what thing is detected. And then we have the tactical map. So this is actually developed for our hardware drone, but we don't have drones. So this is our the demo location, so which is completely interactive. So this is right now the Jammu area, which is India-Pakistan border, and you can see some demo drone location. So this is the part like whenever something get detected, so drone can actually send you its coordinates. So that's how the DivyaDrishti works. And I really want to thanks to the Vortex AI team because this Divyadushti was just on paper and it was just an concept. But when we got to know on 27 that we actually have to submit the prototype, so we just developed this thing within the 3 days or whatever the time was, and it was really tough because our exams also going on. But thanks to you guys because you guys arrange all this stuff, so that's why we was able to build this stuff, and we are very positive, and we do have a lot of future plans with Divya Drishti, and I hope you get selected in Hack Orders. And thank you.